And now we are going to subtract in base 6. We're using the same numbers we did with the addition examples, 453 base 6 minus 205 base 6, but now we're going to do the subtraction instead of the addition. We are going to do that subtraction using base pieces and a place value chart. So I have our base pieces laid out. I have 4 flats, 5 longs, and 3 ones, and I am supposed to take away, with base pieces I'm going to think of this as take away. I'm supposed to take away 205. Well, I can see physically that I don't have enough ones here to take away 5. I don't have enough ones to take away 5. So I'm going to have to do an exchange. I'm going to exchange this 1 long for these 6 ones. Those are my original 3 ones. These are 6 ones that I have gotten because I exchanged a long. And now I have enough ones to take away 5. So I will do that. I will take away 5 ones. That leaves me with these 4 ones. That leaves me with these 4 ones. Now I'm supposed to take away 0 longs, so I won't take away any longs. I won't take away any longs. I've taken away my 5 ones. I won't take away any longs. And now I'm supposed to take away 2 flats. So I will take away 2 flats. That leaves me, when I'm done doing all that takeaway, that leaves me with 2, 4, 4, base 6 as my answer. 2, 4, 4, base 6 as my answer. Now if I move from there to a place value chart, again, we're in base 6. Rightmost position is 1. Position next to that is 6. Position next to that is 6 squared, or 36 if you prefer. I'm going to write this vertically. We're headed towards that vertical notation. Again, remember our job as teachers is to help students progress from physical objects to symbols and then on to more things mentally. This doesn't have physical pieces in it. It starts to use symbols, but I still have my labels in my place value chart that helps me remember what my positions are. But I am headed toward our usual vertical format, so I am setting it up vertically just like that. Now I'm going to remember, or I'm going to notice rather, that again I don't have enough ones. 3 ones is not enough to take away 5 ones. So I'm going to have to do an exchange. I will exchange one of these longs, so I'm going to subtract a long from the 5. That will leave me with 4 longs. When I do that exchange, because I'm in base 6, I'm exchanging 1 long for 6 ones. I'm exchanging 1 long for 6 ones. That gives me a total of 9 ones over here. And 9 is not a valid base 6 digit to leave in the ones column, but it is the number of ones, the total number of ones that comes from doing that exchange. I did that exchange because I needed more ones over here. Okay, so 9 minus 5 is 4. That gives me that 4. Remember, we did this with the base pieces as well, right? I did that exchange. I added 6 ones. That gave me 9 ones, and then I took away 5 of them. That left me with 4. Now over here, I have 4 longs minus 0 longs. That was that with the base pieces where I didn't take away any longs. And then in the flats column, I started with 4 flats. I took away 2 flats. That left me with 2 flats. And my answer again is 2, 4, 4, base 6.